In this video, we will be talking about uncertainty to contrast the difference of accuracy between equipments. Uncertainty is how much the actual value varies from the measured value. For example, thermometer has an uncertainty of plus or minus 0.5 degrees Celsius. So the measured value is 50 degrees Celsius. Then the actual value can lie between 49.5 degrees Celsius and 50.5 degrees Celsius. In your 5070 syllabus, you are required to know about some equipments and how they are used in some simple experiments. The conical flask, also known as Erlenmeyer flask, has an uncertainty of 10 cm cube for a volume of 250 cm cube. Beaker has an uncertainty of 5 cm cube for a volume of 100 or 50 cm cube. Measuring cylinder has an uncertainty of 0.5 cm cube for a volume of 100 cm cube. Gas syringe has an uncertainty of 1 cm cube for a volume of 100 cm cube. 1 cm cube equals to 1 milliliter. 1 decimeter cube equals to 1 liter. In the pipette and volumetric flask, there is a line on the neck to indicate that when filled it has reached the respective volume. I have called the lines as volume indicator. It could have some other name as well. Then the pipette has an uncertainty of 0.03 cm cube for a volume of 25 cm cube. Volumetric flask with an uncertainty of 0.1 cm cube for a volume of 250 cm cube, and burette with an uncertainty of 0.05 cm cube for a volume of 50 cm cube. Stopwatch with an approximate uncertainty of 0.1 second. Thermometer with an uncertainty of 0.5 degrees Celsius. Electronic balance with an approximate uncertainty of 0.1 gram. The uncertainty depends on the balance and its settings. As we have listed all the equipments you are required to know with their uncertainties, we can now classify the equipments with their accuracy level, so we know when to use which equipment. Pipette and burette are almost perfectly accurate with very low uncertainties when used to measure volume. Measuring cylinder, volumetric flask and gas syringe are also pretty accurate with low uncertainty while measuring volume. Beaker and conical Erlenmeyer flask are not that accurate while measuring volume. Both of these equipments are used to get a rough measure of the volume. Usually the conical Erlenmeyer flask is used for titration, and beaker is used to store chemicals which you will need to conduct the experiment. Then there is stopwatch, thermometer and electronic balance, which is used to measure time, temperature and mass. The uncertainties won't matter here much, as you won't most likely be provided with anything else to measure these quantities. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell icon and leave a comment.